name RYSERA. I'm going to present my project, an AI-driven career planner. So this website basically helps students who are unsure about their future careers. So by guiding them through a personalized based quiz and also connecting them with a professional career guidance counselor, this web app will give out personalized career suggestions. So let's start my career journey together. This is the first step of my career planner application. So in this step, the user provides basic personal information. So this helps the system to personalize career recommendations based on their personality. So I will just fill out this. So you have to fill out your current status. I'm going to use still in school, but there are many students and many people who have a question about their career path or careers they are choosing. So it could be A-level students who are choosing their subject streams, or undergraduate students who want to change their career paths, and the reason you're here. So I'm here to select a suitable career path. So this app is based on RYSERA psychology, which is a well-known career personality model that categorizes people into 6 personality types. It contains realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising, and conventional. And this page also gives out information on how to take the quiz and how it works. So when the user takes the quiz, the user will answer a series of questions, and based on their answers, the website will calculate what each section got with the marks, and it will give out users top 3 RYSERA types. So it will give out a RYSERA combination, a personality combination, such as ISA, REC. This is where this get personal, so it may differ from person to person. And the user will receive career suggestions, trends, areas to watch based on what combination the user is. And also the user will get university links. So I have made this web app specially for Sri Lankan students. So this only contains Sri Lankan university links, private and public. The scoring system works like this. Yes containing 2 points, maybe 1 point, and no 0 points. So in each question, the user has to select between yes, maybe, and no. So let's take the quiz. As you can see, there is a progress bar, and there are 60 questions in total, and each question, each statement, it will show what type it belongs to. So this statement belongs to realistic type. So I will just answer these questions quickly. I'm not going to even read the questions. I'm going to choose an answer. Also, the user has to answer truthfully to these questions, because in order to generate an accurate career suggestion, the user will have to answer accurately as well. Okay, so the last 30 questions actually, they are not questions, but they're careers. I added this part because I think it will help to give out a more accurate combination and accurate career suggestions. So this works in the same way. If you like the career, yes, no, or maybe. And each section contains equal amount of questions. Now it will analyze your profile and gives out your RYSERA combination. So I got IES, investigative, enterprising, and social. So it will give out a title as well, the social entrepreneur. So this contains the percentages. So I got 75% in investigative, 60% in social, 65% in enterprising. So these are my 3 top combination and suggested career paths as well. And strengths and weaknesses. This is very important because even though the user doesn't go well with these jobs, if the user doesn't like the jobs, the user still knows their combination. So they can know their strengths and weaknesses. So they can improve their weaknesses, and also they can focus more on their strengths and improve them as well. And these are the universities. There are public universities and private universities. So let's see, if the user wants to follow a degree in University of Colombo, the user directly gets connected to their main homepage, their main website. So the user can follow their degree courses or short courses or anything they like. And private universities as well. And another feature is the user can get more guidance through a professional career guidance counselor. So I used N810 as the backend. So when the user submits their details, N810 automatically sends an email to the counselor with all the information. So I will just write a message here. We got the combination IES. So I would like some career guidance on which degree I should follow. So the user can make a plan about their career. So it's best for the future as well. So we will send this. So I have used one of my email accounts. Let's see if I get the email. Yes. See, the counselor will get all the information, including the name, age, status, reason, and the combination, and their message as well. So they can get more guidance on their suggested career path. And I also added this feature for some students. They might follow their passion rather than going with their personality combination. So they can get more guidance as well. So before I finish, I would like for you to try this as well. Because it only takes like 10 or 15 minutes. And you might be even surprised what your personality type is and your suggested careers. So try it out. Thank you.